Okay, this is a new lodge for me. This is called the Mara Explorer Lodge, and we're here for one night due to a little bit of mix-up on our reservations. But this is a really beautiful lodge. We're right on the river, and today I am in tent number 3. So we're gonna go check out the tent. As we walk up, if you can see, it's kind of hard because there's a lot. There's a spear here that I can take out and put in the dirt, and that would signify that I don't want to be disturbed. So if I'm just relaxing or whatever, then I can put that spear out and I will be left alone with no disturbance. And here's the entrance to my tent, and I'm actually gonna go around the front so you guys can get a really cool idea. Here's the river. You guys can see that I'm right on the river. I'm not going to trip over this rope. And here we go. Here's my tent. Beautiful seats where I can sit up on the deck here, look over the river. There are hippos in this river. There's crocodiles in the river. As a matter of fact, I can see a hippo right now. And now we're gonna go inside and check out the inside. So here's the inside of my tent. They tied it back for me, and I'll close it so that if there's any insects or anything, I don't have to worry about that. Nice king-size bed for me this time. And there's a little desk over here, which I will need to take everything off of so I can work on my images and everything. Oh yeah, check this out. We have a nice outside tub and I'll go out there in a minute and I can show you the view from the tub. And it's a little dark because I don't have the power on right now. The power, they're on generators, so they shut the power off to save natural resources. But here's the, there's a couple closets. Hard to see, my GoPro battery is dead, so I'm doing this off my cell phone. And we have the sinks. We have a nice shower with a rain head, some windows, double sinks. Sorry, I'm probably going too fast, making you nauseous. And there's the little toilet room. So here is the room, and now I am going to take you outside and show you the view from the bathtub. Okay, this is the other side of my tent. And here's a bathtub, and I'm guessing that's for towels. I'm not sure what's in those bottles, but I'm guessing there's some sort of oils or anything to enjoy the bath. And oh, this is really a nice view. So I can imagine sitting in the tub, watching the water. It looks like there's right there, it looks like a pathway for the animals to come down to the water to drink. So it'll be interesting to see what shows up here. And once the hippos start calling, I'll make a video so you guys can hear the hippo sounds. All right, I'm gonna enjoy my stay here for one night. See y'all later, bye.